Hi Diederick, this is Lee from Otters SEO. This is the custom video that I said that I made for your website. It's a free video showing some tips and tricks of how to increase your online presence and therefore also getting more customers to your business. There's three things I want to cover today. The one is around website content. So as you can see, I've got your website open here. And it's a very nicely designed website, some nice pictures, and also notice you have some very good customer reviews here, which is excellent. The one thing I want to note is Google recommends that your website, the homepage, needs to have between 1,500 and 2,000 words of content. And this is because that when they do the indexing and crawling of the websites, they need that amount of content so that they can extract the number of keywords that they can put in their search algorithm. So the more words you have available on your homepage, the better it is for them to rank your website. If we look at one of your top competitors on Google, at least, is Legal Expat Desk. And as you can see, also a nice website, but also not a lot of content. So definitely beatable if you decided to increase your content that you have on your website. The next thing I'm going to go through is the Google search results. So if I type in legal services in the Netherlands, the first results you'll see coming up here is the Google ads, and this is basically what people pay for to be at the top of Google, and every time you click on this link then they would be paying for that click basically. So getting you a lot of good traffic, especially quite quickly, but of course you pay for it in the long haul for every click that you get. The second thing is the Google map listing, and this is a very nice place to be listed in, and it's about 40% of people, of the traffic, actually clicks on these first three links within the Google Map Pack. It's a very nice place to get listed. So how do you get into these top three positions? Well, you have to increase your number of citations. And all that a citation is basically a combination of your name, your contact details, your address, and your website. And how to increase that, you basically have to get directories to list your citations or your details basically. The more of these directories have your details, the better you'll get ranked in this Google map listing. So normally a benchmark that you can normally go for is at least 200 citations, and then you can look at becoming in the top three. Of course, good Google reviews also means that you'll get ranked a little bit higher. The next area is the Google search results, the organic rankings that we have here. And this is also very important to get in the top three positions here. The reason for that is statistics have shown that about 29% of people click on the first link that they see, or the first result, 15% on the second link, and 10% on the third link. And it's actually less than 9% of people that go past the first page of Google. So very, very important to get ranked here in the top three positions so that you can get all that traffic flowing to your website and hopefully a lot more customers. So how do you get into these top three positions? We use a tool called Ahrefs. It's a tool that we use where you can put in your website that you want to look at, and it spits up basically numbers that Google sees, in essence, that they use to rank your website. The first number we can look at is the UR. You'll see this basically means you've got 0 at the moment, and that's your trust rating that Google sees. And it's basically how much Google trusts your website, of how relevant it is. Your DR is your strength index, how powerful your website is. You're sitting at a 4.6 out of 100. So some work that we can do there to improve your trust and your strength rating. And then these are the two important numbers as well, is your backlinks and your referring domains. So the higher the number of backlinks you have, also the higher the quality of those backlinks are, the higher you'll be ranked on the Google organic search results. All that a backlink basically is basically another website that has a link to your website. It's basically giving a shout out from them to you that you are in this business, and there's the link to your website. As you can see here, you have about 324 backlinks, and you have 11 different referring domains, and those are the different websites pointing to yours. You have about 140 people coming via organic traffic. So these are the amount of people that are finding your website per month. And you're getting, you have about 438 organic keywords that are found on your website from that content. So you of course want to make sure you've got the right keywords that people are searching for. If you take a look at your top competitor, once again, you'll see that their trust rating is at 27, so quite a bit higher than yours, and also a slightly higher DR of 8, but once again, quite on the low side, so still very beatable. They have more backlinks and referring domains than you. You can see quite a bit more referring domains, and that's probably one of the big reasons why they're outranking you at the moment. And also have 196 organic traffic that's coming to your website, and they have 364 organic keywords. So if we look at the keywords that they're targeting, there's of course a bunch of things that they're picking up here, but lower down here I think I saw something here. We just get to things like inheritance tax Netherlands. You'll see there's about 200 people every month searching for this phrase, and this competitor of course is getting the majority share of that traffic to their website. Same with immigration lawyers or registered partnerships. I'm guessing all of these kind of things that you would be interested in, and these are the numbers that the number of people actually searching every month for it. So to summarize, you want to be able, if you wanted to improve your website, you can increase your number of words, your content that you have on your homepage, so that Google can easily rank your website higher. So between 1,500 to 2,000 words. You want to get onto the Google Map listing page, so that you can get about 40% of that traffic, and to do that you need to increase your number of citations by getting on those directories. And to get to the top of the organic search results, you want to increase your number of referring domains and the backlinks and the quality that's actually pointing to your website. So like I said, this is a free video. These are tips and tricks you can use at the moment immediately to improve your website, and I think that would be a great idea. If you want to find out more information or see that how we could potentially help you to do that, please feel free to reach out. We can have a very informal chat and see how we can actually help grow your business. Either way, I really appreciate if you can just drop me a line of feedback to say if this was helpful or not. I'm really trying to help a bunch of local businesses in the Netherlands, and your input would be very valuable. Thank you so much. Have a great day.